with Eric, with Rob, with other partners. And at the bottom is land, power, and shell, and the energy necessary to build these data centers. The next layer up becomes the chips and the infrastructure. So this is what AWS and other hyperscalers build out around the world. You all are familiar with the model builders and then the applications that sit on top. We think of this holistically. We are proudly one of the only AI companies that literally works with every other AI company in the world. And we're here to make sure that partnership is extended through Asia Pac and specifically here in Japan.
Well, thank you, gentlemen, for the introductions.
So obviously for the AI agents to work well, if you have just a few agents, that's okay. But if you have lots of agents, hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands of agents, you need to have an agentic platform to orchestrate the agents, to provide the service to the agents, enable the agents, and also to govern the agents, and also to continue to evolve the agents. So that's the second layer, which is the agentic platform. That's very important. And then the next layer is the data and the knowledge layer. So, okay, what differentiates my agents in creating value for my company versus my competitors? So that's really the data and the knowledge within your company. That's your secret sauce. That's very important. So very often, companies overlook this data and the knowledge layer. You've got to make sure your data is AI ready so your agents can do the work for you. And then the next layer is obviously the model layer. Today, the models, they are kind of providing the brain power for the AI agents. But if you look at the models, we have the global frontier models, and then we have the open weight models. The models are still evolving very fast. Today's leading model in 12 months, 18 months may not be the leading model anymore. So when you deploy your agents, you need to look at the particular work they need to do and then select the most relevant model that actually is capable to get the work done fast enough and also with a reasonable cost. So model choice really matters. And of course, to run the model inference, you need to have the AI infrastructure layer. There we have Nvidia as a leading player. We also have the AI accelerators. For example, AWS, we have our own Trainium AI accelerator. So those are the 5 layers. For most enterprise, the most important aspect is really make sure you have the AI agents, and then the agents are able to do the real work alongside the human employees to create value for your company. The agents use your own data and knowledge. It leverage the brain provided by the foundational models, which runs on top of AI infra. And also you need to have an agentic platform to manage the tens of thousands of agents you are going to deploy. So those are our view of the 5 layers.
Lots of models have to compete. Lots of models should be considered. And for any given inference, you can actually use multiple models and check one against the other. The point is that there's a whole set of tools on the side that help applications make the best out of the 5-layer cake. And these tools, in fact, capture a lot of the value add, the know-how, the secret sauce of application developers. Many of these tools, in fact, contain vertical knowledge specific to an industry. And many of these tools include cybersecurity protection tools to ensure that the entire structure is protected. And many of these tools help you understand performance, cost, how many tokens will this model generate versus this other model. So in order to make the whole thing work, you need to have good tools. And what's important for VCs is that while not every VC can invest in the next frontier model, many VCs can find very interesting tools companies who truly add value either on a horizontal basis or along the line of a vertical industry.